Recording.
Or if it just goes to a secure lot or something.
I don't think I want to drive my Grom through that. It's like not hilly, but it's kind of hilly.
Oh yeah, it totally is. Yeah, it doesn't.
Was us to vandalize anything?
Yeah, this is totally fucking abandoned shit over here. So especially if all there's like graffiti and shit in here.
Yeah, totally. There's the light rail.
Oh yeah, that's totally how you get in here. Because those are the windows they were shooting from the other day. Fucking cool.
Do you just want to go like in this warehouse right here?
Yeah, I'm totally like down to like go check it out.
Oh, it's like broken glass and shit.
Like there has to be a way in.
And it's probably through like there, I'd say.
Yeah, let's go through. Is there a door perhaps?
Yeah. You want to leave these out here?
Let's see if we can see what's over here.
You're not taking the Grom through that shit.
No. So I think there was another door over there that looked like it was promising, but
I just want to kind of get out and look around for a quick bit.
yeah, we totally can.
This is part here. That'll be okay.
Taking that key with me.
Good idea.
And the cell phone.
Oh, this is what can leave.
Cool area.
Yeah, not a total ShenaniGROMs place, but were they just in here?
Yeah, they're totally shooting photos in here.
Okay. Still with me?
Yep.
Interesting.
I wonder if those fire extinguishers work.
Yeah, they've probably been used.
This reminds me of the episode of The Simpsons where Bart comes in here and...
Owns his own warehouse.
yeah.
Huh, neat.
Yeah.
People climb on the roof and shit.
Oh, I'm sure they do.
Yeah, do it just like that.
Is it a pee bottle?
Probably.
Totally a pee bottle. I was all, yeah, I'm not riding the Grom in here, but...
Yeah, totally not.
Actually, that door doesn't look too bad to get through.
I'm not riding the Grom through here.
I think it'd be some fucking sweet photos in here, though.
Yeah, but with all the crap in here, like
You're on knoppy tires. You're not gonna get a nail. I mean, you might, but... How we totally get those things through here. You want to get some photos?
Yeah.
Okay. Or you just want to kind of like ride around and check it out?
Yep. I said the backpack was just the lure of like, hey, we're just gonna come take some photos.
That's right. Right through like there. Gonna ride around the building. We can take off.
That's right. That's a cool place though.
Yep, neat area.
I really dig it.
Warehouses are fun.
Abandoned warehouses.
Albon.
Probably pee or water. Probably.
Do you hear that?
Oh, yeah. Alarm maybe?
Maybe. What if those guys were shooting yesterday? Like,
Are you want to get out of here?
we can ride out. We can ride out for a little bit more. That was a cool area to check out.
That's what I told us. Light rail train passes. Although I can't imagine that they'd have an alarm system over here.
With all the like the shit that's in here, yeah, probably not.
Oh, bird shit. This doesn't go anywhere. That goes back that way. You wanna go back that way?
Yeah. This is a good episode of ShenaniGROMs.
That's right.
That thing looks fun to climb up.
Yeah, we don't get to do that.
Unless they were in this warehouse.
Could be. Yeah. Probably a ladder to get on the roof.
Exploring on my dirt bike. My mini moto. Oh god.
Is he coming?
No, probably not. But if he was, he wouldn't drive his truck through this shit.
No, definitely not.
Let me rephrase that, not as quickly as you and I can drive through it.
No. Up here.
Oh wait, we can't go anywhere over here, can we?
I think go this way. Over said pipes.
Oh, the places the Groms will go.
That's right. This is one of them. And we're out. That's right. Without him seeing us. Let's get out of here. That was fun.
That was pretty cool. Even if I didn't take any photos, that was pretty neat to go check out.